guys, what is up? Today I am playing Roblox with my two favorite cousins, Caro and Derek.
Hey, where are
Alright.
What's up, dudes? Hey, where
And-
are you? Oh, okay, I found you.
Alright, so we're playing this tornado game.
Somebody wants to kill me.
Wait, that's not you, Caro. Okay. Someone's trying to kill me.
Hey, let's go. Somebody's killing me.
Hey!
I'm gonna go out. Get to
Alright, I'm gonna get my soul.
Hey, hurry up. Go.
On the reason? Okay.
Go. I already
Bye-bye,
down.
suckers.
Alright, guys, I'm going down.
Where are you? I can't find you.
Hey, Caro, where are you?
See you. You're going down.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Where are you guys?
Zombies. There's
I'm going to the school, okay? Alright.
Wait, you haven't landed? Are you ready?
No, I'm gonna.
I
It's because I want
Let's
to.
go! Hey, help me, hurry up! Go down!
Oh my gosh, okay.
Zombies! Zombies!
Oh, no! I became a zombie.
I haven't become a zombie. Zombies están detrás de mí. Okay.
Alright,
Wait, where are you?
I'm over here, Caro. I'm gonna jump, okay? I'm jumping.
Wait.
I want to go to the.
Wait. I see you. Wait. I want to jump with you.
Yeah, wait. I just need to get like my pistol.
There are you. You can tell me? See me?
Hey,
Yeah.
Gigi.
Me too. I need to.
I'm falling.
Still.
I'm
Stop.
going to.
Wait.
Oh,
Wait for me, you
no,
said.
Yeah.
I'm into the
Okay.
tornado.
We're gonna go out right now.
I am
Oh, wait,
in
wait.
The tornado.
Okay, get your parachute, okay?
I already got it. You?
I got it.
One. No, you don't.
Yes. See?
I cannot.
Got you, suckers.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, one,
1, 2,
2, 3.
3. Go!
Oh.
No, you didn't jump in. Oh, wait.
Come on, he destroyed
Wait,
my.
where are you?
Caro! I jumped!
I jumped too. You're on top. Come on, girl.
I see you, girl.
I'm a zombie.
No,
I'm down. Hey. Oh, there you are.
Hurry
girl.
up,
Oh my
zombie,
gosh.
I'll kill you.
But we're gonna land in the school, okay?
Wait, I cannot see anything.
Okay. Caro, I'm gonna land.
I believe I can.
I'm gonna land somewhere really high, okay?
I cannot see
wait.
any.
I'm gonna land somewhere pretty high,
I'm
okay?
gonna kill people.
Wait.
Alright. I'm going to land in this high place over here.
Wait, where are you?
Oh my gosh, there's a zombie there.
I'm not gonna kill my best friends.
Yeah, there is a zombie there.
But like, I'm like,
I'm gonna land right here. Wait.
Whoa, do you
I'm gonna
see
land right
this?
here.
Did you see
I'm
this?
gonna land right here.
alright, I landed!
I'm landed too.
Where do you land it?
Hey, there's
On
a
this
zombie there.
pretty high place. But it's like, pretty
Wait,
down.
where are you? I can see you, but you can see me.
Caro?
Hey.
No! Why
Is there a
I
glitch?
never
Oh my
land?
gosh, you're still up there. I see you.
Wait, what?
See?
Wait, I can see Caro.
I'm right here. But I'm down here.
God damn it! I need to save my best.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Okay, let's jump
Hey,
down
zombie
and see if
suckers.
we
Okay.
can tell.
I'm gonna go on the second floor in this one
Hey,
here.
suckers.
Me too.
Wait, I wanna see if the zombie's there. Okay, no, he's not there no more.
Okay, wait.
Caro.
Hey, there's somebody.
Ah! There's like a ton of naked mans here.
Really?
Yeah, naked man, OMG. Naked man.
I go down. Somebody's gonna try me.
Got my pistols.
Wait.
Caro, can you see me? Can you see me?
Oh my gosh, I need to turn up my volume.
Oh,
Hey, somebody kill me.
Someone killed me too. I think I was the naked man.
Wait. Wait for me.
wait, do you die?
Yeah,
somebody
the
kill us.
it was the naked man. Those could
Yeah,
kill.
I can see you.
All right, get your parachute.
Wait, get up here.
Where are you?
I'm still killing
up.
the
Oh, I
zombies.
see you.
Okay. Let's land closely. Okay.
Oh, dang it. All right. 1,
Wait. I'm not with you.
I'm still
one,
killing the
2,
zombies.
3.
3. Go!
Gotta hurry up. Are you with me?
No. I can't.
Gotta, where are you?
Oh my God, there's so
Oh,
many
there you are.
zombies.
There you are. You're on top. I'm on bottom. I saw you. Okay, go up. I cannot go up. Hey, quita esto un ratito. Oh my God, this is creepy.
Dijo mi mamá que le prestes el teléfono.
Yeah. Ah!
Wait, Gotta, where are you? I don't see you.
Oh, you're down there.
Oh my gosh. Caro.
I didn't go
Caro.
up. I'm down here. I'm going down. Go down. Go down. I'm going down.
Okay. Oh. Ah.
Okay, I'm gonna land on top of this school. Okay.
Okay.
I can see you right now. Well, I
Okay.
can.
Oh my gosh, the tornado's pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so.
So I'm gonna land on top of the school. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just right now. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. I saw you. I see you. You can see me?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see you.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my gosh, guys, this is so not cool.
This is so creepy.
I know. Oh.
I know. I see the sky and I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna die.
There's a ton of naked mans over there.
Yeah,
Like,
I think
on
those
that box over there, that gray one. Yeah.
Hey, the zombies kill me, and I was a zombie. Hey, you know what? When I was walking, they didn't even catch me, and
But you killed me when you were a zombie.
I didn't. Okay, there are you. What are we gonna do?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you guys want more Roblox videos, comment down below. And if you guys want Minecraft videos, just tell me. All right, bye.